Thanks for staying with us. Let's bring you some local news now. This is perhaps insensitivity at its worst. In a shameful incident in the city today, a pregnant lady literally fell off the bus due to the indifference by the conductor and the driver. The bus conductor signaled the driver to stop the bus just as the lady was getting off and started abusing and beating up the lady's husband when he questioned them on their irresponsible behavior. The people later went on to snatch the man's chain. The man has suffered severe bruises and cuts all over his face, neck and a swollen eye. But all this happened when people around them just stood watching and not even offered a helping hand. Well, awful behavior there by the people. Now, controversy surrounding the reduction of school fees hardly seems to have died down. A day after the Madras High Court rejected a plea against the school fees guidelines set by the government, a group of parents from the Union Christian Association Matriculation School carried out a day-long protest against the authorities today. They allege that the school has hiked the fee by more than 60% and are demanding an explanation and detailed accounts from the school.
நாங்க அவ்வளவு படிக்கல சார். என் பிள்ளைங்க படிக்கணும்னு சொல்லி சேர்த்திருக்கோம் சார். இப்போ வந்து 4000 ரூபாய் கட்டு 5000 ரூபாய் கட்ட எங்களால கட்ட முடியாது. சோ இது ரொம்ப 60% கிட்ட ஹைக் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. இது ரொம்ப கண்டிக்கத்தக்க விஷயம்.
Now, year 2010 is perhaps the best ever for the Master Blaster. A smartly clad new group captain, Sachin Tendulkar, said it was a dream come true. Straight after he was presented his wings by the Indian Air Force Air Chief Marshal, the honorary rank was conferred on Sachin under the provision of granting honorary ranks by armed forces to eminent personalities acknowledging their contribution towards the nation. This is an honor to one of India's greatest batsmen, which the IAF feels would motivate the younger generation to join the Air Force to serve the country.
Definitely, in time to come, I would put my request forward to get in one of the fighter planes and experience again, refresh the memories, and also understand how tough, how difficult it is when one has to take the responsibility of guarding the nation. It is, as I said earlier, that Top Gun movie was all about flamboyance, and it's only a movie, but the Indian Air Force does that in real life.
Well, he makes us proud every single time. Now, another record, but this time in politics. Sonia Gandhi was today elected for a record 4th term as Congress president. The exercise more of a formality as she was elected unopposed to become the longest serving Congress chief. Almost all top Congress leaders were present as Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and Rahul Gandhi set the process in motion by proposing her name. With this re-election, she's now overtaken Indira Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru to become the longest serving president of the Congress party from the Nehru-Gandhi family. Her moment of glory came when she wrestled the power away from the BJP-led NDA in the 2004 Lok Sabha elections. In more national news, just when the Ministry of Environment and Forests was getting its act together, cancelling mining licenses and suspending infrastructure projects which did not conform to environment norms in Assam, the border roads have started bullying and building a road through a reserve forest which also touches a tiger park.
Widening of National Highway 42. The Border Road Organization signpost cautions. Work in progress, drive slow. But this road is cutting through a reserve forest and a buffer zone of a tiger park. In total contravention of the Forest Conservation Act 1980 and the Environment Protection Act 1986.
There is a standard protocol as per the Forest Conservation Act of 1980s that prior permission from the ministry is vital. And state, after getting the proposal from project proponent, the state needs to forward it to the ministry, and the ministry will consider whether that project is and whether the forest land needs to be diverted.
More than 20 kilometers of the road falls within the Balipara Reserve Forest, the buffer area of Nameri Tiger Reserve, and cuts through the Sonitpur Elephant Reserve. The National Tiger Conservation Authority has now asked the Assam Forest Department to explain how this construction was undertaken. Even temporary permits for roads, mining or quarrying is not granted in reserve forest areas. But in Assam, across the state, the authorities seem to have flouted norms or circumvented it by granting permits for mining or quarrying. And as we can see now, even road construction is happening through protected areas. In Guwahati, Kishala Bhattacharjee for NDTV.
Now in international news, an oil platform exploded and caught fire off the Louisiana coast on Thursday, triggering fears of a repeat of the British Petroleum Deep Horizon oil spill in the same region earlier this year. Thankfully, all 13 crew members aboard the platform were rescued. The Coast Guard initially reported that an oil sheen a mile long had begun to spread from the site of the blast about 200 miles west of the site of British Petroleum's massive oil spill. But hours later, the Coast Guard said the crew were unable to find any spill at all. Well, it's Friday night, which means let's bring you some entertainment news. A mix of Tamil, Bollywood and Hollywood films opened in the theatres today. Looks like it's all a perfect lineup of entertainment elements, which include family drama, love, relationships, music, dance and horror.
Rampal and Kareena in We Are a Family, an emotional family drama based on Hollywood flick Stepmom. The film is directed by Siddharth Malhotra. It's a perfect family film with a good mix of humor. Step Up 3D is a Hollywood dance film directed by John Chu. It's a story about a tight-knit group of New York City street dancers. The digital 3D version of the film offers a new experience to viewers. Another film in 3D format this week is Piranha. The horror movie shows an underwater tremor that sets free scores of prehistoric man-eating fish and a group of strangers who band together to defend themselves.
Piranha.
Tamil film Bale Pandya hits theatres this week. It's a comic film directed by Siddharth Chandrasekhar. Vanilla Kabaddi Kuru fame Vishnu and Pia play the lead roles. Vijay Gibran makes a debut as villain. And finally, Sindhu Samaveli, directed by Sami, is all about love and controversial relationships. Actors Harish, Gajini and Paul, all freshers, are in the film's lead roles.
And like we said, Bale Pandya is one of those releases today. We caught up with Vishnu, the hero, for a quick chat about where he tells us why he chose to wear the grease paint rather than adorning the khaki uniform like his dad.
Tell us, after Vanilla Kabaddi Kulu, Bale Pandya is your next release. So how has the journey been through for you?
See, actually after Vanilla Kabaddi Kulu, a lot of village scripts came my way, and definitely you know the reason, me being a very village rustic guy, rustic look in my first movie, a lot of people thought I am from a village. And so I actually, wanted to show that, I am not from a village and I have changed myself for this particular village character. So for that, I had to take up a city look in my next movie, and I wanted something, which has equal proportions, or probably I would say something of everything for a hero, like, dance, dance sequences, action sequences, romantic sequences, colorful costumes, which I all missed in my first movie. So that's when, I chose Bale Pandya, and it came my way, and I was really happy because it has got overall, ingredients of everything for me as well as for the audience. Entertainment, jam-packed entertainment from the first frame to the last frame. You will always be engaged in the movie.
So Bale Pandya is an older version of Shivaji sir's movie also. So does it have any connection?
Yeah, only two connections you can say. One is, the guy wants to die. In the old Bale Pandya also, the hero wanted to die. And then, there's this Mama Mapla song in the older version, which we have added the lines of Mama Mapla in the latest version, Siri Kiran song.
Okay, and in 1 week from then, your next movie, Drohi, is releasing, and there you are totally a different character. So what is all Drohi about? Can you tell us something?
Yeah. Roypuram based script, and my character is a very, very arrogant, rude and very, self-centered. He would, like, whatever I say is right. That kind of a character, and totally, completely different from my first movie. So the kind of soft guy and the kind of, you know, very next door guy and very pavam guy I played in my first movie, this is the exact opposite character and exact opposite of my real life also, because I'm not at all, I don't hate anybody.
Well, those are the films that have released today. But going back to the biggest blockbuster today, which is perhaps the biggest wedding of the year, now that we've got to the girls' side of the family, it's only fair to hear what the groom's side have to say about his star daughter-in-law. We caught up with Ashwin's sister. Here's what she had to say.
Guess who's here? I'm right now joined here by Ashwin's sister and her brother-in-law, and they are going to give their special wishes to the couple.
The wedding was such a beautiful wedding, and we all think Ashwin and Soundarya make the most beautiful couple that can ever be. I wish them a very, very happy married life with a lot of fun and a lot of happiness, good health and wealth.
The wedding is one of the most beautiful I've seen. The only thing more beautiful than the wedding is the couple themselves. Thanks.
And what about the food?
Great food.
And here's what Rajinikanth's co-brother Ravi Raghavendra and Madhuvanti Arun had to say.
It's a fantastic and out-of-the-world wedding in terms of the number of people who have attended this. It's a brilliant family, and the couple are so good. I think they're made for each other. They look so good. In terms of beauty, in terms of the brains, in terms of their associations, in terms of their achievements, in terms of their careers, I cannot think of anything better than saying that they are indeed made for each other. I wish them all the luck, all the success and all the prosperity in their lives, and may they have a very, very happy married life. We are all there for them all the time.
Well, Soundarya and Ashwin, I've seen Soundarya grow up, and it's wonderful to see my cousin get married, and she's just found the right partner. All the very best for a roller coaster rocking marriage.
And with that, we wrap this bulletin. But from all of us here, thanks so much for being with us this entire day of special coverage as a treat. Here's why the 3rd of September will remain unforgettable for many of Rajinikanth's friends, fans and family. We leave you with some moments of the big fat superstar wedding, and here's wishing them all the very best for the life ahead. Thanks for watching. Good night.
Come, donate your books to Aviva Great Wall of Education to take an underprivileged child closer to education. An initiative by Aviva Life Insurance's Street to School program presented by The Hindu. To donate, visit Express Avenue, Royapeta from 5th to 9th of September.
एक ऐसा इन्वेस्टमेंट